Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? Welcome back to school. This is your science lesson class and today we will read unit number 3, that is sorting and using materials. Sorting and using materials. But before that we will discuss about the date and the day. Who will tell me what's the date today? Isa, will you tell me what's the date today? Which number is this? Very good. 11 August 2025. Very good. 11th of August 2025. उर्दू में कौन बताएगा आज क्या तारीख है? ताहा, आज क्या तारीख है? 11 अगस्त 2025। 11 अगस्त 2025 इस्लामी महीने की कौन सी तारीख है आज? फातिमा, आप बताएंगी आज इस्लामी महीने की कौन सी तारीख है? 16 सफ़र 1447 हिजरी। शाबाश। 16 सफ़र 1447 हिजरी। ओके, who will tell me what's the day today? Yahya. Today is Monday. Very good. What do we say it in Urdu? Peer. Very good. And in Arabic we say Yomul Isnain. Yomul Isnain. Now let's discuss about the weather. Okay class, how's the weather outside? The weather is sunny outside and it is very hot. Okay class, today we will start unit number 3, sorting and using materials. Who will tell me the meaning of the word sorting? Yes, Ahmad. What is the meaning of the word sorting? Sorting is to arrange something. Very good, Ahmad. Sorting is to arrange something. As we know that sorting is तरतीब लगाना, किसी चीज़ को तरतीब देना sorting कहलाता है। ठीक है? Okay. And using. Yes, Mirha. Using. What is the meaning of the word using? इस्तेमाल करना। शाबाश. Very good. Marosh. Materials. Tell me the meaning of the word materials. Mawad. Very good. Now let's start reading and then we will understand the difficult words from the unit. Let's start. Class, here you can see different kinds of materials and I'll ask you one by one, can you identify these materials? Yes, Ahmad. Which material is this? This is plastic. Very good. Which material is this? Who will tell me? Can you clearly see? These are some sticks. Taha, will you tell me which material is this? Very good. This is wood. And here you can see the table. Which material is this? You can see it's a table. Fatima, which material is this? This is wood. Very good. Here is a scale in front of me. You can see it's very shiny in texture. Ibrahim, Which material is this? This is plastic. The pencil is made of which material? Yahya, can you identify the material of this pencil? Very good. It's wood. Okay class, I have some other examples for you. Can you identify which material is this? You can touch this material and you can tell me which material is this. It's very smooth. You can use your fingers to touch your book and you will identify which material is this. Yes, this is paper. This is paper and it's very smooth. You can touch it, you can sense it with your hand. Okay, now all of you are wearing some clothes and you can see it is very soft in texture. And which material is this? Musa, can you identify this material? Very good. This is fabric. Okay class, unit number 3, sorting and using materials. Sorting and using materials. What do? We will sort and we will tell the usage of that material. Where do we use that material? What are materials? What are materials? Materials क्या होते हैं? Materials are things around us which are being used in many ways. How do we use them? हम उनको किस तरह इस्तेमाल करते हैं? As I've given you example of wood, like wood we get from trees and then we will use to make tables and pencils, and there are many other uses of them as well. So we use one material into many ways. How do we choose the best materials? हम किस तरीके से चूज करते हैं बेस्ट मटेरियल्स को, वो हम अभी पढ़ते हैं कि हाउ डू वी चूज द बेस्ट मटेरियल्स. किस तरह से हम उनका इंतखाब करते हैं कि दिस वन इज द बेस्ट वन. ओके, व्हाट डू वी नो? वी हैव 5 senses. We have 5 senses. Who will tell me the 5 senses? Yes, Anna. Tell me 5 senses. 5 senses are? 5 senses are very good. Touch. We can touch with our hands. Hear. We hear with our ears. Very good. The third one is taste. Taste. Taste is associated with our tongue. Very good. And what is this? Yes, Fatima? Very good. It's a nose. So the sense which is associated with nose is smell, and the last one is sight. The last one is sight, and you can see here is an eye. So here are 5 senses which we use to identify materials. The next thing is how to explore objects. How to explore objects. As I've told you that when I will touch this book with my hand, I can feel the smoothness of this book. The book is smooth. You can check your own book. You can sense it with the tips of your fingers. Like when you touch your book, you will feel it is very smooth. The other example is of table. When you'll touch the table, you will identify it as a smooth object. It's a smooth object. Okay class? But when I'll touch these sticks are a bit rough. The texture of these sticks are these sticks are rough. These are not smooth. Okay class? Same is the case with this fabric. If I'll touch the fabric, I will identify it as a smooth material. Okay class? The names of some materials. Okay, now it's very easy for you to name some materials. So, Taha will tell me the names of some materials. Taha, please. Wood, very good. Plastic, very good. Metal, very good. Stone, very good. Fabric, very good. And paper. Excellent. Very good. Now what we have to do, there are some words given to us. Words to learn. Okay class. What is the meaning of the word bendy? Bendy. Bendy is something that we can fold or we can easily mold. So this chart paper is bendy. You can see I can bend this chart, so we can say this paper is bendy. We can bend it. Cold. Who will tell me the meaning of the word cold? Mirha. Yes? Thanda. Very good. Meaning of the word cold is thanda. Color. Color. Irtiza. Now it's your turn. Tell me the meaning of the word color. Color is rang. Which color is this? This is red color. Very good. Which color is this? Irtiza? Green. Very good. Well done. Okay. The next word is, which word is this, Abrish? Try. Very good. And what is the meaning of this word? Khushk. Excellent. Now, tell me, these sticks are dry. You can see when you touch them, you can see that sticks are dry. Okay class? The paper is dry. It's not wet. It is dry. The next word is fabric. Okay, tell me the color of the fabric you are wearing. Halima. What is the meaning of the word fabric? Kapda. Very good. Okay, which word is this? Taha. Which word is this? Hard. Hard. Okay. Tell me, is this a soft material or a hard material? Soft material is something that we can easily bend or we can easily mold into something else. But hard material is something that is not easy to cut, that is not easy to mold or easy to bend. Okay class? So hard is something सख्त. कोई भी चीज़ अगर सख्त है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? हार्ड कहते हैं. ठीक है क्लास? ओके अहमद, read the next word. The next word is heavy. Very good. This word is heavy. Heavy क्या होता है? Heavy is something which is not easy to lift. Very good. जो उठाना मुश्किल है. For example, this table is heavy to lift. ये जो टेबल है इसको उठाना बहुत मुश्किल है. Okay. The next word is light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Light is an opposite of the word heavy. Light. Who will tell me the meaning of the word light? Yes, Hadi. Light is halka. For example, this scale is very light. You can lift it with a single hand. Okay, so the scale is a light material. Now this word is material. Who will tell me the meaning of the word material? Ibrahim, will you tell me the meaning of the word material? Mawad, very good. Okay. Talha will tell me the meaning of the word metal. Metal. Metal is धात. कोई भी धात जिससे हम बहुत सी चीज़ें बनाते हैं. Any example coming to your mind when I am talking about metal? Spoon. This is an example of metal. The spoon is made of metal. Very good. Now the next word is, yes Anna, which word is this? Plastic. Very good. Here is a plastic bottle in front of me, you can see. So we use metal and plastic to make materials. Properties. Next word is properties. खसूसियात. किसी भी चीज़ की खसूसियात को हम क्या कहते हैं? Properties. For example, the properties of this material are that it is soft and bendy. Okay, you can tear it easily. But if you talk about metal, it is not easy to bend it. You cannot bend it easily. You cannot break it. You cannot break it. When you will apply a force on it, you are unable to bend the spoon. So these are the properties of metals or a paper. Every material has its own property. हर मटेरियल की अपनी खसूसियात होती है. ओके अहमद, which word is this? This is rough. Very good. You can see here is a stone in front of me and you can see it's a rough in texture. किसी भी पत्थर को जब आप उठा के अपने हाथ में देखेंगे तो you can identify that the surface of that stone is rough. as I have given you another example of these sticks, the texture of these sticks are also rough. Yes. Which word is this? Puren. Which word is this? Shape. Very good. Shape. Okay. Tell me, what is the shape of this stone? Irregular shape. Okay, class? Okay, the next word is soft. The next word is soft, and Fatima will tell me the meaning of the word soft. Narm. Okay, class, I'll show you something soft. Here is very soft material. You can identify the material of this fabric that is very soft. Okay, which word is this? Which word is this? Waterproof. Waterproof. Something which does not absorb water is waterproof. इसके अंदर पानी absorb नहीं हो सकता. Is any example coming to your mind when I am talking about waterproof? We use it in rain. When we go outside, we use it when it's raining. Very good. Ahad, it's umbrella. Umbrella. Very good. Okay. Which word is this? Puram. Which word is this? Wet. Okay. Wet. Gila. If water is dropped anywhere, the object will get wet. So, पानी से अगर कोई चीज़ गीली हो जाती है तो उसको हम कहते हैं it's wet. Very easy word. The last word is word. Okay. Who will tell me the meaning of this word? Ali. Lakdi. As I've shown this to you before. Wood. Lakdi. And this table is also made of wood. Okay, class. Skills check. Can you say what color something is? G. Look around you and tell me something around you that is green in color. Is there anything around you which is green in color? Look around you and then you will tell me that is there anything green? Yes, the bubble is green in color. Group some objects together. Group some objects together. What you have to do, you have to group some of the objects which are around you, and you have to tell me which object is this and what's the name of that object. Is it made of plastic or a metal, or it's made of wood, it's made of stone? So in this way you can group some objects together. For example, I have given you the example of this scale and this plastic bottle. The both things are made of plastic. So is this marker. This marker is also made of plastic. Okay, class? Now here are some pictures given to you, and you will identify which material is this. Okay. Can you identify this material? This is used to make buildings, to in construction? Yes, anything coming to your mind? Very good. It's brick, stone. It's made of stone, but it's a processed one, so we can say that it's a brick made of stone. Okay, what is this? Halima. It's a jar. Very good. Tell me about its material. Is it a soft material or a hard material? Very good. It's a hard material. You cannot bend a jar. You cannot bend a glass. So, it's a hard material. Now, Ashil will tell me which object is this. Very good. It's a dupatta, a stroller. Is it a soft material or a hard material? Ashil? Very good. It's a soft material. Now, Abdul Hadi will tell me, what is this? Do you have this object in your homes? Very good. It's a bucket, and here you can see some other tools. Yes. Which material is this? Very good. It's plastic. Okay. The last material. As I've shown this to you, who will tell me? Ibrahim, will you tell me which material is this or this? This is metal. Very good. And what is this? Cutlery set. Spoon, fork, knife. So all these things are made of metal. We use different materials to make different things. We use different materials to make different things. Let's find out. Could you drink hot tea from a tea cup made of chocolate? Is it possible that you are having a cup that is made of chocolate and you have to drink hot tea from that teacup? Is it possible? Very good. The chocolate will melt and it is impossible to drink hot tea from a teacup. Okay class, that is all from today's lesson. What we have done today is the reading of unit number 3, sorting and using materials. Sorting and using materials. What you have to do, you have to learn these words and I will ask you the meanings of these words tomorrow, inshallah. Now let's note down your homework. Okay class, that is today's homework. Unit number 3, sorting and using materials. The question is, write down the names of 5 materials. Class, what you have to do, you have to write down the names of 5 materials in your notebook, but make sure your writing must be neat and clean. Okay class, that is all from today's lesson. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.